This crazy AI tool lets you create Hollywood-level sound effects that loop forever. ElevenLabs just dropped SFX V2, and I got early access. With a simple prompt like soft rain, it generates up to 30 seconds of crystal clear audio. And the best part, it loops seamlessly, no cuts, no fades. Perfect for games, audiobooks, videos, or just background vibes. Everything's cleaner, more accurate to your prompt, and plays smooth. If you want to build your own endless soundboard, follow me for more content on AI.